Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Value 1. Today in this video I am going to tell you about the biggest telescope in the space. James Webb Telescope. James Webb Telescope delivers the first images from the birth of universe. So friends, let us discuss about it in detail. Before going to the video, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button. On Tuesday, the James Webb Space Telescope, the biggest telescope in the space, sent back its first images. The James Webb Space Telescope suppressed the iconic Hubble's abilities, using cutting-edge technologies to give us the farthest, deepest and clearest views of the universe till the date. The James Webb Space Telescope, the world's most advanced space observatory, was in development for nearly 2 decades and is expected to create an astronomical revolution. The $10 billion time machine will help astronomers to study what the universe looked like millions of years ago. It is much more advanced than the Hubble Space Telescope because of its breakthrough technology design and its planned location in the space. Hubble made countless discoveries after it was launched in 1990 and provided millions of images of planets, galaxies, nebulas and stars, so on. The James Webb Space Telescope is equipped with sensitive cameras and spectrographs that can capture light directed into them by its huge golden mirror. It has been developed by NASA with its partners, the European Space Agency and the Canadian Space Agency. So let's see the facts that make the James Webb Space Telescope extra special. It is a time traveling into the past. The telescope will show us what the universe was like 100 million to 250 million years after its birth. In the Big Bang Theory, it is believed the universe came into existence, that is 13.8 billion years ago. The first image from the telescope released on July 12 shows the galaxy clusters SMACS 0723 with light that has been traveling for more than 13 billion years. Hence, Hubble has captured this area before, but observations by James Webb show the galaxy cluster in incredible detail. NASA has said it wants to look back even further, about 13.5 billion years in the past, to make new discoveries. Honeycomb mirrors. A telescope's mirror helps reflect into cameras. The better the mirror, the more the observatory will capture. James Webb Space Telescope has its 18 primary hexagonal mirrors that together form a honeycomb shape. In total, 17 measures 6.5 meters in diameter. The mirror is 6 times bigger than in area than Hubble's and is 100 times more powerful. To help reflect infrared light more efficiently, the mirror is covered with a thin coating of gold. Unique orbit. James Webb Space Telescope is placed much farther out in space and in a different orbit than Hubble, allowing it to see greater distances. Instead of an orbit around the Earth, the telescope orbits the Sun. It is in line with Earth but 1.5 million kilometers from the planet and 4 times farther away than the Moon. This position in space is called a Lagrange point. The mirror is kept at a temperature of minus 233 degrees Celsius to shield off it from the sun. It has a 5-layer sun shield that is the size of a tennis court and which weakens the heat from the host star by more than 1,000,000 times. Hunt for life. One of the main objectives of the telescope is to study the atmosphere of exoplanets, planets outside the solar system. It will look for oxygen present in the atmosphere of planets in distant galaxies. So finally, how it launched into the space? Let us see. The school bus-sized telescope, which measures 21 meters by 14.6 meters, had to fold up to fit into the launch rocket. So guys, if this video makes you interesting and informative, please do subscribe to my channel, and for the more updates press the bell icon button. And thanks for watching this video.